So in this video, we are going to install Kali Linux inside VirtualBox on Apple Silicon Mac Mini. Hi, I am Sequoia with you in this video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the browser and search for virtualbox.org and hit enter. Click on download and here select macOS Apple Silicon host. Click on this one and the download will be started. And search for Kali Linux. Click on download or get Kali. Here's the thing, as Apple Silicon is something different, you will have to choose installer image. Now select Apple Silicon ARM64 and the recommended one, the installer file, download this one. And the download is started. Okay, you can see the installer file here. The instruction says double click on this icon. Let's double click this one and continue. Select install for all users of this computer. Click continue and install. Give the password of your Mac and hit enter. And it will start installing the VirtualBox. Here is the installation was successful. Let's close this one. You can move this to trash. Okay. Now from apps drawer, open the VirtualBox. You can search it from here and open this one. Now click on new, type a name as the virtual machine name. And now I have to select my folder where I want to keep my virtual machine. Selecting other, and this is my location. And if you want to keep this default, you can keep it. Now select the ISO file you downloaded. I kept the download file here. Select open and keep the rest similar. Click next. Now as I have a lot of memory, I can select 4 GB of RAM here, 4096, and at least 4 CPU cores, and then next. Here you can see the summary of your settings. Click on finish. Now selecting the machine, click start. This will power up the installation process of Kali Linux inside VirtualBox. Now you can select install or graphical install using your keyboard. I'm selecting graphical install. I'm just keeping this simple and continue. This will take some time. Now here, select the guided use entire disk. As we already selected 25 GB of storage, so we can use that entire disk for this virtual machine. Click continue and again select all files in one partition. Click continue and finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Click continue. Write changes to the disk? Yes. And continue. Keep software selection as it is and click continue. So here you can see the installation is complete. Now we can continue to boot the machine. Just keep it as it is and the Kali machine will boot up automatically. Here is the login screen for Kali Linux. Use the username and password we gave earlier and click login. Here is your Kali desktop inside your VirtualBox. So this was the video of installation process. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see some basics of Linux commands in the next video. See you soon.